Kani kadega bate CTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka orange Nissan, lom so po niya fabricate shillong. Ban pendap ya ke jingdon kam jengki hospital bat ki pat ba nong snong ki badan kam kerki ya ki hand sanitizer na ke benta ban sat ba ya laki kiti komisi benta banyada na ke jing sapriang uknyang jingpang coronavirus ka Pasteur Institute DHS kala Shna de ki hand sanitizer ya ki ba on saai shiki hospital ki badan hapo kani nong ba shilong bat om nang kata on sadiru ya kini shiki pat ba nong snong ki badan kam ya kini ki dawai that kiti ha ka je kren bar ki doktor ki laitu baka Pasteur Institute kadai tang kacaka ka Shna ya ki hand sanitizer bat la penya yaupat da ka sale outlet ka badan hapo ka Directorate of Health Services bat ka dor jung kini ki hand sanitizer la bohi da ka Ministry of Consumers Affairs jung ka Sorkar jala na kalyang jung ka director ka Dr. N. Wanswet kalaitu baka jing Shna ya kini ki hand sanitizer kadai hadin balalam baki ni ki dawai thatkti kelas dang banduna hadin kene la thau ya ka COVID-19 response team
29 ml no?
Next.
Kemudian apa Pasteur office of the director dia kini ke outlet kedai ke sale outlet dia kibriu ki bakwa kini ke sanitizer kila ban ajing tip hai director jongi lane kila ban one bed ban kali apa ke Pasteur and ya kini ke sanitizer ni day bed ha ki outlet ke badan apa ke office jongka Directorate of Health Services Kador jong kini ke sanitizer ha jing shisha kala dei ba fix the government of India ka dei ka Ministry of Consumer Affairs but kala bu ba ya ka spa ml jong kini ke sanitizer nila ban de tang shi spa tangka the based on that bit ka volume ro shibu menta ya ka ba spa ml ni de shi spa tangka te ya ka ba san spa spa san tho ka ya from ta ta kini ki material jing shisha ni don ki approved rate supplier ki balak ban supply ngi hakini kisni balak dam namal baya kini bakila khange ka transport ka kham jinjar khin dian namal ngi haban am henre hadu mentang ngidang don ka stock tingi kermen baswa bakan lot kini ka stock bangi don benta ketu bangi la order kan one the entire material kini hani kide entirely dependent on Pasteur Institute then ka production jangi sometimes we go up to 12-15,000 volume production like around 40 bottles a day also we can tangba kajin jinjabyang kawan ha raw material ladai ba kadon ka material kum ki reagents ki don ki bottles ki don ki staff bangi don menta ki la ban produce sufficient amount kani ni follow bit strictly WHO formulation kadon lightly ki formulation ha WHO 1 2 3 we follow the second formulation ba pendan kami ka isopropyl alcohol The reason bangi pendon kam tak isopropyl alcohol bakalang more suitable for the skin compared to ethyl alcohol. In terms of allergies, ni kitai ke kam long biang ya barok khat kibrio. Tingi use the formulation 2. Ni pendon kam kumba 99.8% ya ke isopropyl alcohol. Then around 3% of hydrogen peroxide and around 98% of glycerol. Ti hadin bangila mix ya kini kat kum ka proportion bakal abo ka WHO. Ni haban quarantine, ni haban bu ya ka kamera ka balong air condition, kenang ba ladon kanu ka bacterial spores, kabala ban wan na u bottle, kala ban destroy ka isopropyl ya ka tu kan yopu ar kenta. Nakata ka daw hadin ba Shna ka ya gani ka hand sanitizer kadon kambha ban bu shwa yopu ar kenta, kamera ka balong air condition, shwa ba pin ai shikibri pimla ban Shna man takas ni ai no hi. Ti yakini ke hand sanitizer ro ni la le ya ka antimicrobial efficacy test ka bapin iba ka no kala banyarap ban penyap yuno no khnia an ni lab ba kalong very significant an hadin bala le kita test barok khoi ni penmi pai ba no yakini ka sanitizer kibon kini ki sanitizer mo kidon ki alcohol based but ki non alcohol based ya ki alcohol based le si don ki bapendon kam tak isopropyl don ki bapendon kam tak ethyl alcohol. Hande haka percentage kala bandefa. Kum ka jongi ngi Shna 99.8% isopropyl. Pin the calculate yaka final concentration ka 0.75 volume by volume. As per the WHO ki ong baya coronavirus, you need at least 60% of concentration jongka isopropyl alcohol. Te kibri brok hydro ladai bakithir sanitizer kin pet ye kata ka percentage of alcohol. The more it is, the better it is. Ta ti yak outlet kumbaong ni we are entirely not taking care of outlet tangba so far I guess only the Director of Health Services will know about the whereabouts of the outlet and the purchase. Kani di kasin kabadang kong bangi Shna ka hand sanitizer and ka daw bangi Shna kumbala ong ladu basadang kadai banyarap di kibrio jongi hangni bakin yo be tik ka sanitizer ka badai ban pendon kam hakum gini ki for jong ka crisis. Kat bempat kot kani ngini ai teng be ban Shna kini nang ba kibrio kim de ban pendon kam de ki we ki sanitizer ka bale sekin chupulot pisah hande kam yarap e ero spang jong kani crisis ni kermen bangin yo ka raw material haka por ba biang nang bangin la ban meet ya ka demands jong kibrio ma te ka first priority jongi ka de bangi pen biang shwa ya ka healthcare workers ki hospitals ya kibrio ro ngim khang la ki kwa ki wan be hapo Pasteur ni ayaki haka to ka dor belong very reasonable bala board ka government kan kadi ka steps kalong nang kon kong chong haban calculate chwa accordingly hable chwa calculation the marker ratio and proportion jong kiri agent de bedon kambha pi bakla hangta la bon than ka glycerol ro kambha ting kibri ki on ai than ka glycerol halen da bon than ka glycerol kalong corrosive te fin idon ki sanitizer pin the use ne kalong corrosive ka kho ka ti jong firo ting haban long very particular ka to ka procedure jong bangi calculate nang tangi haban le antimicrobial sensitivity test ka tu ka shim shtayo then hendre ya ka ban prepare but on a routine base kani langi prepare man takasngi ni habbo arsngi hakasngi ka basaw pede ngile ya ka labeling an hakasngi ka basaw hi ngila ban ai no sha outlet tadi badan bala ban sponsor kanya rap shibon yangi namar ba ngatrai kani ka crisis bangidon menta kan kut lanung in tem ti la dei bangim dan shu raw materials long kan niro ngin so si bamla ban produce na lo bala don kani ka yunen ti la don ki bala ban yaram and knang bang ni ki manpower jong ni don will try to meet the demands kat bala nakaliang jong ka directorate he as in response to this COVID-19 disease due to this coronavirus we are also having a response team so in this response team ni ki ba ni shim kirai hakani kadai ka benengkong kadai ka manufacturing of hand sanitizer unit kaliang jong kani because like this is a drug so we need to get the approval of the senior drugs inspector and katu kadai hapa directorate of DHSMI tingi lapan ya kani ka approval naki but we have been given actually a temporary approval which we don't know kan kini claim da I specified adukan no kan kun the based on this because we have the labs in actually hangni ni don food and drug testing lab
So kani ka kani ka bapi kumbapila shimmene ka one of the sections, and that is the food testing lab. And then another section where we do the manufacture is in the drug testing lab, and that is kani ke ibahet ya kani ke unit ide drug analysis ide kong uniki wadri. Kini kide hi the same formulation, the same steps, the same procedures kide kidu. We have these two sections. So the production which bala ong kato kade ka bami na bro apli lab. Kabaar kaba yakini kumbala ong mene ba ni manufacture hakaju kapor ba ni ai ka outlet nang ni na po office. Te yakini kumbalong menta ki don ki personals ki ba ki wan shim kumto for personal use. Ki don namar kani with the intention hi ka ba ni pet hi shuang namar ba we are the health and family welfare department. Ni pet ban pendon ban kan ka jing pendon kami kini ru ani ka jing pendap kan hi first and foremost hi ya ka department la jong te kumenta for example kum ki balawan shim kilong na po Tirot Singh Memorial Hospital jong Kamairang te na po civil hospital nong Stoing ru ki tukin sawan shim te kumta kini hi ki facilities la jong ki bangidon ha po health and family welfare department they are ki shim nangi as like in bulk mo gini oh. Right, apart from that, the personal use, Q1 shim. Kani like we're talking about the raw materials, everything kini. Kidehi kiba kalalong bet ba ka expenditure jong katu barok hot ka bear hi ka government. The ngidon ru kiwe namar ba long even in it's the same department like allotment of allotment of finances will be to separate unit. So ka pisah ni shim na kito. But it will be government money. It's just like a transfer of government money. They'll have to kinhap hi ban siu shani. But this money which comes to us, it's not bang use ni for directorate. This money we put back into the treasury. It goes to the government. So kani ka cycle kaya. So there's nothing ba long ni or nong AA ka directorate bangile. Like this is the cycle that has been put like the government procedure. Ba kalong kumta ho ni ayaki ya ka sanitizer they have to pay to the directorate from their government fund they pay to us and we put that money into the government treasury so it goes back to the government. Lada ka production kala ban cover kumbangi ong ka first priority ka jongi ka day for the government hospitals. Ray lada ngila ban penni bone but pakadon ka supply definitely will give to anyone. Actually kini ki bottles through ni procure ki like ni procure ni ki approved suppliers but they submit to us the bill it's like that only then we send to the government is paying for that. Ki bangi pa hi ki bangi you please return when they are empty so that they can be recycled in the sense re-sterilized and we can use the same bottles. In that way I think we are doing a good job mo jaka bingin bread like mentally like the bread guy it's just creating a risk actually for the waste. So if they can return back the bottles, we get to use them like that, we will definitely be contributing to some environmental this thing also.